Good morning, students. In today's class, we will continue with chapter 3, Windows 7. In our last class, we have discussed about file and folders, managing all the folders, Window Explorer, and different views of files and folders. Okay, different types of views we have discussed. Now, in today's class, we will learn finding a file or folder. How can we find a particular file or folder? So open page number 25 and read with me and watch this presentation very carefully. Windows offers a number of ways to find files and folders. Like first, search box offers the most direct way to locate a file. Use search box if you are looking for common file types. Like you remember all or part of the name of the file or folder you want to find. You know the date when you last modified a file. Now click on this start button. You can see this is the search box located at the bottom of the left pane. Type either a part or complete name of the file or folder, or type a word or phrase that present in the file. If you remember, as you type, the items that match your text will appear in the start menu. Click on the desired file or folder. It will open in the new window. Click on see more results to get new details list. Search results window will open. Now just click on a file or folder in search result to open it. Now we can use wildcards also for finding any file or folder in case you know only a part of the file name. Okay, you can use wildcard characters to locate all files or folders that contain that part in their name. Like for example, there are two wildcards, star and question mark. Star is also called asterisk. If we write like this, L star dot star, what is the meaning is this? It will search all the files whose names start with L. Okay, if we don't remember the file name, if we have remember only this case, file name start with L. Okay, and the other part we don't remember. So we can write like this, L star dot star. It means we don't know the extension also. It will find all the extension files and start with L. Okay, file name should be start with L, and the other part can be anything, and extension also can be anything. Okay, L followed by any number of characters and has any extension name. For example, letter.doc, lottery.ppt, and locality.txt, etc. Okay, all the extension files start with L will be open. Next example, if you write like this, asterisk.doc, it means it will search all the files whose extension is .doc. It means all the Word document file will be open and their name can be anything. Okay, and all the Word files will open. Then next example, if we write like this, L star.doc, it means file name start with L. Other characters can be anything, but the file should be document file. Okay, we have restrict the extension doc. It will search for all the files whose extension is doc and their name begin with the letter L. Okay, this is the use of asterisk sign. Now next wildcard is question mark. What is the use of question? If you write like this, question dot start, what is the meaning? It will search all the files whose name contain only one character. Okay, question mark represent only one character. For example, L.doc, R.pps, and E.txt. It means file name should be only one character like L, R, E, and extension could be anything. Okay, we don't write in the syntax extension name. Okay, we have written asterisk sign. It means extension could be anything, but file name have only one character. Now next example is, if we write like this, keep star.doc, what is the meaning? It will search all the files whose names begin with kips, okay, followed by any one character. If we write keep star, it means star means one character, so file name should be start with kips and followed by one character, and it should be document file only. Okay, one character, and extension is doc. For example, kips1.doc, kips2.doc, etc. Okay, understood the topic? Now star means any type and number of characters in its place, and question mark means any one character in its place. Okay, next option is working with the control panel. What is the use of control panel? It is a system folder using which we can make changes in the appearance of current setting of the windows. We can change the current setting of the windows with control panel. These include appearance and personalization of the desktop, hardware and software setup configuration, system and security, networking and internet. All the settings we can do through the control panel. Okay, user accounts and family safety, and setting clock, language and region. These settings control nearly everything about how Windows look and works. They allow you to see the windows the way you want. You can open control panel in two ways. First way is click on start button, then click on control panel option from the right pane. Next you double click on the computer icon in the desktop and click on the open control button located at the top. Click on control button. Now next option is about fonts. The character used in typing the text that you use the same designs are called fonts. Okay, font settings are used to change the display of text on the screen and the printed text. Now you can use font settings in control panel to view, add new fonts, delete existing fonts from this option. Okay, look at a simple given here. Click on appearance and personalization category in control panel. Then click on fonts in control panel. You can see there are so many fonts is already added. Okay, font window will appear. You can see these fonts. Look at the sample of a font. Double click on given font. To add new font, follow the given procedure. If you want to add any new font from the internet or we have saved in our hard disk, select the drive that open the folder that contains the new font. Then select the font that you want to add and drag it to the font folder in the control panel. The font will be added in the list of existing fonts. This way you can add any font. You can also delete the existing font from here. Then click on font you want to delete. Just click on it and then click on delete font button from the font thumbnails. Okay children. Now we have done chapter 3. Watch this presentation very carefully and revise all the points, and there is some recap points I will revise for you. A file is the basic unit of storage in Windows that enables a computer to distinguish one set of information from another. File name consists of two main parts, the main file name and its extension name. Folder is like a file cabinet in which you can store files. Windows Explorer is used for viewing, exploring and organizing files in a computer. Windows provides many ways to arrange and identify your files while you are viewing them. Control panel is a system folder using which you can make changes in the appearance and current setting of Windows. The character used in typing the text that use the same design are called fonts. Okay Children, now that's all for today's class. Revise all the points, watch this presentation again and again. Now I will give you some homework.